Hi there. My name is Will, and I'm from NexJ Systems, and I'm here today discussing customer data with our VP of Marketing, Matt Bogart. Now, Matt, you've seen the evolution of customer data over the years in the financial service industry and what it entails. So, what advancements do you think are going to occur in the next few years?
Thanks, Will. Yes, I have been at this for quite a while, back to the 90s, actually. In fact, I remember interviewing with my first CRM company, and it was quite an experience. I was a very young guy just coming out of school and interviewing with the CEO. And fundamentally he asks me, what does this company do? And I say to him, well, you aggregate customer data. That was pretty much the end of my answer. And he says to me, well, that's right, but don't ever say it that way again. And I still find that interesting today because it really sort of illustrates how even in the 90s, we weren't familiar with the concept of collecting customer data. It was very early days in that. And so I find that interesting. It was also right around that time in the mid-90s that firms started to put data centers into their locations and really having that sort of on-premise data repository. So that was pretty neat. And so you bring that forward to today, where they now have 30 years worth of customer information that they've been collecting. And you add to that the amount of data that they're getting from third-party sources, social media and such, and just the volumes of customer data that firms have available to them today is vastly greater than what it was back in the 90s.
Oh, so how are firms leveraging these ever-increasing amounts of data coming in?
Well, you're hearing a lot about AI, which I find to be quite interesting. Particularly, AI is not really a new discipline. It's a field that originated not long after the first computer, really, sort of back in 1948. So a lot of the AI is generally rules-based engines, and certainly NexJ incorporates a lot of rules-based technology and AI technology into our solutions today. What I think the increased volume of data is going to enable us to do is really train some algorithms to do some great machine learning. And that's really where NexJ is going with our cognitive applications.
Oh, well, that's pretty interesting stuff, Matt. You can find out more about how NexJ is bringing intelligent customer management to the financial services industry at nexj.com. Or hey, why don't you chat with us on social? Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or even Instagram. Thank you for watching.